Gina with WTI. Having a litter box is one of the necessary evils of having a little fur baby inside the house. But I found having these Purina litter pellets has made the process so much easier. So what I really love about these is that they are good for a month. You simply scoop out the poop. You can see that very little parts of the pellets actually stick to the poop. An advantage for people that may not like having the dust from regular litter or having that tracked all over their house is you're really going to like that because that can't happen with these pellets. Now, this system that I have has a little tray underneath where when she urinates, it goes onto a piddle pad and then that's replaceable. But again, you can just scoop out the poop from these pellets. I found that she transitioned really easily into using the pellets. You can see she has no problem going in and digging around. Since I do need to have a kitty litter in the house, I'm really happy that I have the option of this Breeze system because it eliminates clumping litter, and I just really like the pellets, and so does my cat. And that's our point of view.